Welcome to Code Hub. Let's dive into Python basics in 60 seconds. Introduction: Python is a powerful and easy to learn programming language. Let's start with some basics. Variables. Variables are used to store data. For example, x equals sign 5 or name equals sign Alice. Data types. Common data types include integers, floats, strings, and lists. Example: numbers equals sign or 1, 2, 3. Hidden ends. Functions. Functions help you reuse code. Define a function using def. For example, def greet bool. Print hello. Loops. Loops let you repeat actions. A for loop looks like this. For I in range 5, print I. Conditionals. Conditionals check conditions. An if statement looks like this. If x0, print positive. Libraries. Python has powerful libraries like NumPy for math and pandas for data analysis. Import them using import numpy. That's a quick look at Python basics. Subscribe to